Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Sora to videos for free. And yes, it's completely free. If you have seen all those cinematic AI videos going viral lately, and then most of them were made using Sora 2. It's OpenAI's next generation's video model. So let's dive in and I will show you exactly how to try it out without spending anything. Okay, let's get started. So first was what exactly is Sora 2? Sora 2 is a powerful AI video generator developed by OpenAI. It can turn simple text prompt into realistic high-quality videos complete with motions, lighting, and camera angles that looks professionally shot. And basically you can type what you want and Sora 2 bring it to life as a short cinematic clip. And then now you can access Sora 2 from the official OpenAI website like this, and then just log in using your Google account. And but here's the thing, access is currently limited. You will need an invite code like this, and at the moment it's not yet available in all countries. So if you don't have access yet, don't worry, I have got you covered with a free alternative that works almost the same way. And alright, here's how you can try Sora 2 style video for free. Step 1, just open your browser and then just go to fitgo.ai like this. And then just sign up using your Google account. And once you're in, you will see that new users will get 20 free credits. In my case, I only chose 10 because I have already used some earlier. And then its video generations will cost 10 credits like this. So I think that's enough to test it out for yourself. And then next, you will see a text prompt like this. And then you can also upload a photo to use as your first frame. But for this tutorial, I will just use a text prompt. I will type my prompt like this. And then next, just choose your aspect ratio, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok. And then after that, just hit generate video, just tap on it. And okay, there it is, your video is done. Let's take a look. Okay, like this. Looks amazing, right? It's pretty close to what you expect from Sora 2 itself. So that's how you can use Sora 2 Styles AI video for free right now without needing an invite code, and it's totally free. Just give it a try and experiment with your own prompts and see what you can create. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!